Hey there, welcome to my channel. If you are looking to make your Figma workflow faster and more efficient, you need to use Figma plugin. In this video, I'll be sharing 5 helpful Figma plugins that will help your design workflow. Let's get started. First, what are the plugins? Figma plugins are like little helpers that make designing easier and faster. With plugins, you can really enhance your design process and get more done in less time. Figma plugins library has plugins for different design needs like creating design systems, user flows, wireframing, and more. Number 1. Unsplash. Did you know about Unsplash? It's a really cool plugin for Figma that gives you access to a hug collection of over 3 million high quality images that you can use directly in your designs. The best part, there are a lot of free images you can use for both personal and commercial projects. Let's see how it works. Here I have a UI card and it has a placeholder for image. We will use Unsplash to add image. For that, go to plugins and search for Unsplash and open the plugin. In the Unsplash window, we can search images. We are looking for example, landscape, technology, or food. Here I am searching for waterfall. Once you have found the right image, click on the image to add to your design. Here, image added to the UI card. Like this, you can add any images to your designs. Number 2, icon add. If you are looking for some awesome icons to add to your Figma projects, then you might want to check Icon 8 plugin. It's a really cool plugin that offers a hug range of over 3 million icons and illustrations. Let's see how it works. Here I have like, comment, bookmark, and downloaded text. Now we will add icon to these text using Icon 8 plugin. Go to plugin and search for Icon 8. In Icon 8 plugin window, we have options to add icons, illustrations, and photos. We can choose icon type from this drop down, and we can choose size and type PNG or SVG. If you want to use SVG, we need to buy their plan, and we can choose color also. Let's add icons. First, search for like and click on the icon. Now icon is added to file. Select icon and move to left side of the text. Next, search for comment and click on the icon to add to file. Select icon and move to the left side of the text. Search for bookmark icon and click on the icon and move to the near text. Next, search for download and click on the icon. Select icon and move to near text. Like this, we can add icons to our design files. Number 3, content reel. If you are Figma user, you should definitely check out Content Reel plugin. It's a useful plugin that makes it super easy to add text, images, and icons to your designs. Simply select the layer you want to apply to the content. Let's see how it works. Here I have a contact list. In this, we will add profile photo, full name, and phone number using Content Reel plugin. Go to plugins and search for Content Reel, then open the plugin. In Content Reel plugin window, we have options to add a text, images, icons, and also we can add our own custom content. Let's add profile photos first. Select one placeholder image and press Command / to open a quick search. Here type select and in the suggestions, click on the select with same properties. Now all image placeholders selected. In Content Reel window, click on the avatars. Now images add to all placeholders. If you see, these are all different profile photos. Next, select full name and press Command / and type select. In the suggestions, click on select all with same text properties. Now click on full name content in the Content Reel. This will add different full names to our designs. Same like this, I will do for the phone number. Like this, we can add content to our designs using Content Reel plugin. Number 4, Lotify. With Lotify's plugin, you can insert animations into your designs. You can either input SVG or GIF animations, which are completely free, and Lotify has thousands of animations for your projects. Let's see how it works. Go to Plugins and search for Lotify and open the plugin. In Lotify window, we can search for more than thousands of animations. We can filter by popular. By clicking on the icon, we can add to our frame. Let's see preview how it works. Now you can see animation in preview. Like this, we can add any animations to our designs. Number 5, Autoflow. With Autoflow plugin, we can create flow arrows. Autoflow is free up to 50 flows per line. Let's see how it works. Here I have a simple login flow steps. Let's add arrows to this flow. Go to Plugins and search for Autoflow and open the plugin. In Autoflow window, we have different options like stroke size, color, and arrow types and more. Select Start and hold Shift key, then click on the Enter username. Now arrow is added. And again select Enter username, hold Shift key, then click on the Enter password. Select Enter password, hold Shift key and click on Valid. Now Valid has two options. If login valid, flow ends, or if login fails, go to Start. Select Valid and hold Shift key, then click on Start. Again select Valid and hold Shift key, then click on End. Like this, we can create user flows and task flow using Autoflow. If you have any questions, post in comment section. Like and subscribe for more videos. Have a good day.